So hello there guys and welcome to Ivar's Fly Workshop. Today we are going to, we're not going to do any fly fishing today. This is just like an intro, but we are going to the ocean, heading to the sea on my little boat. And here's the harbor at Bíldudalur, and you can see my boat there to, like below the machine to the left on land. That's my boat, my little vessel called Nemo, and I'm going to take Nemo out and with a friend of mine out to Arnarfjörður. Arnarfjörður is a fjord in the Westfjord region which is really pretty. As you can see, all of those pictures are from and videos are from Arnarfjörður, and there's a decent chance of doing a good catch during the day, sometimes up to 100 or 200 pounds of fish if you want. And we are making this video here and putting it in because we are not only producing fly tying related content only, we are doing fishing related content, so we are showing and doing other fishing as well other than fly fishing. So we'll just take our boat and head out to Arnarfjörður.
Nú ertu með eitthvað hjúts. Þetta eitthvað starra en helvítis titill sem við höfum verið að veiða hingað til. Það getur verið. Eða bara á öllu. Aha. Já. Þetta eru ágætis, já, flottir fiskar. Hell yeah. Já. Og it's wrapped.
It's huge fish.
Jep, þeir eru tveir.
Besti fiskur ever. Já, við